Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Hello viewers, today we are happy to talk about the social relationship in psychosocial development. And we emphasize on talking about the parent-child relationship. And we emphasizely say the strengthening of the relationship specifically. और इसमें हम देखते हैं what we adopt the behavior. We tell the individual that we love you. We have space for you. What feelings we have about your presence and what feelings we have in your absence. And we like this behavior and we are not with this behavior to like it. So, we to declare it, the good words, and also the behavior and actions which we are not supporting. And we say sometimes, not every time, but we say in different words, in different ways, that we feel uncomfortable when you are not with us. We are more comfortable when you are here. So, we use these words. And we'll find the opportunity to play together और उनके साथ मुख्तलिफ तरह की गेम्स में शेयर करना, उनके साथ लैंग्वेज का इस्तेमाल करना और अच्छे अल्फाज का इस्तेमाल करना और फिर इसमें यह है कि इमोशंस की डेवलपमेंट है और टॉलरेंस है, उसमें हार और जीत और हारने में और जीतने में जो behavior हमें इख्तियार करना है, we to be very positive for their social skills. And sometimes we are monitoring the creativity, new situations we to create, and we to give the opportunity to the individual that they can get the opportunity and they become more creative in the situation. और इसमें हमें ये ज़हन में रखना है, we to be available for our family, for our kids. How? We must have some time to talk with them. We to talk informally about the activities. We to be very vigilant and we to be a good listener. उनकी बात हमें सुननी है और गौर से सुननी है और without distraction. और इसमें not to use the device during that particular activity. Device is not important. Kids are important. Their relationship are important. So, we to take care that without any distractions, we are very vigilantly listening without the on of other device. We to talk very comfortably. We to sit together. We to give opportunity our family members to be together. And avoid using any other technology, camera and others. And if we are to make some photographs and we are going to share and we are sharing the photographs, whatever they have, so usme we to comment very positively. Oh, you are looking very nice. You are very good looking and your personality is grooming. And quality time we should to disseminate and to participate with the individuals, with the family members. Quality time, थके हारे हम आए और हमने उनके साथ यह है कि वो टाइम उनको दिया. So we to give the quality time, we be very refreshingly to interact with them. And we to get the opportunity to eat something together. खाना इकट्ठे खाया जाए, इसके मौके पैदा किए जाएं, एहतमाम किया जाए, इंतज़ार किया जाए और उसमें यह है कि the relationship will develop और all the members are together, all waiting for one person coming. Okay, we to wait and we to make sure उनको बताया हो, उन्हें पता हो that we are all waiting for you and we share these activities that we all were waiting for you. And listen and be empathetic. If something happened with the other individual, बच्चों के साथ बात होती है, खाते पीते कोई चीज़ गिर गई, कोई बर्तन स्लिप हो गया हाथ से, तो उसमें डांट टपट के अलावा हम उनके साथ भी टू बी एम्पैथेटिक, नो मैटर इट इज ओके, इट्स नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम, ओके। कपड़े ठीक ना रहे, दस्तरखान उसमें कोई खराबी पैदा हो गई, तो डांट डपट की बजाय अल्फाज का सही इस्तेमाल करते हुए और उनके दरमियान पॉजिटिव रिलेशनशिप डेवलप करने के लिए हमें मुनासिब अल्फाज का इस्तेमाल और इख्तियार करना चाहिए। इसी तरह जो म्यूचुअल रिस्पेक्ट है, रिस्पेक्ट फॉर एवरीबॉडी, बड़ों के लिए भी और छोटे बच्चों के लिए भी, और बेजा तौर पर उठा देना, बेजा तौर पर उसको थ्रेट कर देना, धमकी लगा देना, तो ये दस्तरखान पर खाने की टेबल पे या खाने की जगह पे ऐसा अवॉइड किया जाना चाहिए फॉर द हेल्दी एंड पॉजिटिव रिलेशनशिप। थैंक यू वेरी मच।